अथ श्री शिवमानसपूजा. And now the internal worship of Lord Shiva. रत्नैः कल्पितमासनं हिमजलैः स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरम् नानारत्नविभूषितं मृगमदामोदाङ्कितं चन्दनम् जातिचम्पकबिल्वपत्ररचितं पुष्पं च धूपं तथा दीपं देवदयानिधे पशुपते हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यताम्. O compassionate Lord Shiva, who rules over the creatures bound to the cycles of life and death, accept my offerings of a seat encrusted with jewels, a bath from the holy waters of the Himalayas, celestial garments edged with various kinds of jewels, fragrant sandalwood paste mixed with the musk of a deer, an assortment of flowers, refreshing incense, and a bright oil lamp, all of which have been created in my heart. सौवर्णे नवरत्नखण्डरचिते पात्रे घृतं पायसं भक्ष्यं पञ्चविधं पयोदधियुतं रम्भाफलं पानकम् शाकानामयुतं जलं रुचिकरम् कर्पूरखण्डोज्ज्वलं ताम्बूलं मनसा मया विरचितं भक्त्या प्रभो स्वीकुरु. O Lord, with utmost devotion, I make the following offerings in my heart. Delicious and rich payasam in a grand vessel encrusted with the 9 jewels, 5 types of foods, milk, curd, and delicious fruits and drinks, fresh water flavored with various herbs and betel leaves sprinkled with edible camphor. I pray that you accept these. Chhatram chamarayurjugam yajanakam chadarshakam nirmalam वीणाभेरी मृदङ्गकाहलकला गीतं च नृत्यं तथा साष्टाङ्गं प्रणतिस्तुतिर्बहुविधा एतत्समस्तं मया सङ्कल्पेन समर्पितं तव विभो पूजां गृहाण प्रभो. With my intent, I offer you my services of holding an umbrella, waving a hand fan, holding a mirror, playing for you pleasing music and dance. I prostrate before you with all my being, praising you in various ways. Please accept this internal puja of mine. आत्मा त्वं गिरिजामतिः सहचराः प्राणाः शरीरं गृहम् पूजा ते विषयोपभोगरचना निद्रा समाधिस्थितिः सञ्चारः पदयोः प्रदक्षिणविधिः स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तदखिलं शम्भो तवाराधनम्. My very being is you, my mind is your consort, my life energies are your troops, and my body your abode. My indulgences in pleasure is your worship, and my sleep is your meditative state. The wanderings of my feet are your circumambulations, and all the sounds that I utter is your praise. O Shambhu, each and everything that I do is in your worship. करचरणकृतं वा कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वापराधं विहितमविहितं वा सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो. If in this process I have committed any mistake, knowingly or unknowingly, with my hands or feet, speech or action, hearing or through sight, or even through my thought, O ocean of compassion, Lord Shambho, please forgive all of it. Iti Srimad Shankaracharya Virachita Shivamanasa Puja Samapta. Thus, Shivamanasa Puja, composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya, is complete.